fix on 6 is more of an ideal case, meaning if I have beautiful bone and I get nice torque values when I'm placing the implants, we can do a case called fixed on 6. 6 implants to support the upper or lower arch, and they work great. In placing the implants, as the dentist, if I find an implant that's not filling as strong, I'm not acquiring the torque values of when I place the implant, then I like to have the option to place 1 or 2 additional implants at my discretion. And then if I do that, I always do it at my cost, because my end goal is to provide you with a situation that lasts a long time, or provide you with a restoration that lasts a long time and that you're happy with it. And that's more important to me than tossing in an extra implant or 2 if needed. And it's all based on my expertise as your dentist.